All right, guys, what's up? I am back at the creek today. It is a little windy and it is chilly. 2 days ago, it was almost 80 degrees here in Nashville. Today, the high is 52. So I'm trying to get out of some wind and I'm fishing the creek. Let's see what we can get. So wind is blowing upstream right now anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and let myself drift down to the little bridge where I ended the last video. I apologize if I do not get all the sniffles out of this video. My allergies have been brutal the last 5 days. I think everything bloomed in Nashville all this week, just everything. So I'm gonna hit the bridge and then I'm gonna work my way up, and I'll probably be using the trolling motor a little more than usual just in case if I need to move around. I got a snacky swimmer tied on. I've got a jig tied on, Johnny Morris, and oh, I forgot them. I was gonna bring worms today. I even went back in the house to grab the worms and I completely forgot them. Well, no worms today. Dang. I even got a rod set up and everything for it. I don't know how I forgot that. Well, I do know how I forgot because I forget that kind of stuff all the time. All right. Let's get in here. And I'll probably hit this bridge, you know, on the way back before dark. It is super overcast today. It's not supposed to rain, but I didn't say it already. It's supposed to be a high 52, and I think it's coming right about now, and then it'll stay in that 50, 52 pretty much all afternoon. So let's get it. So I guess at some point I'll change out that other rod that has my bobber and my bobber and, you know, little jig hook. Actually, I could probably put a snacky swimmer on it and use it like a float, but I'm going to use a snacky swimmer anyway. I guess if I want to try to keep it at a certain level and try it with a bobber, I don't know. I may try that. I've tried that from the bank before and I didn't really like doing it. It doesn't mean that, you know, it's not a good idea or not. We're just going to play it by ear, see what happens. I'll go up as far as I can. That tree is still there underneath, blocking the way, and thought about bringing my hatchet today, kind of cutting a path, but I didn't have as much time as I wanted to today, and I thought let's just fish because it probably get dark a little early with all the cloud cover. So we're just gonna fish, and maybe next time I come up here I'll hack some wood. I might be able to get through here. Well, my rod's down. See if I can bend over. Yeah, boy. All right. Like I said, I've never caught anything on this side. Only fished this side one time. That's what we want to hit right there. Cool little spot here where the water is running down off the rock. still got him. Oh, I lost it. Shoot. I don't know what that was, but dang it. Oh, please be a fish. Oh. Oh. He grabbed it. He grabbed it. Dang it. I don't think it was a big fish. Dang it. He was tapping and pulling on it, but I couldn't pull the trick. There he is. Nope. That time probably went too soon. We'll try him again though. I don't care if it's a 9-inch spotted bass. I need a fish. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, there it is. I might get one in the boat. Maybe. Maybe I can get one in the boat today. Finally, oh my gosh. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy, 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 buddy. You talk about a struggle. He barely had it. That's another spot, I think. Yep, tongue patch. Well, one fish at least today. He's about, let's see, almost 12. All right, here we go. Finally. Jeez. Right, I'm back near the kayak put in. I've just been running the motor and I want to hit this one more spot again, right under the bridge, and I'm out. It is way too cold right now for me. All you people up in Minnesota, Michigan, Northeast, is the way we are in the South. I'm already getting a hit right here. I was getting a bump. I think I'm on. Yeah. Oh, dang it. I think I'm on. That's another oh man, he just came out. That's another chunky little spot. Hey buddy, where are you going? I thought I was hung up. And then kind of jerked it loose, and the next thing I know it's like, it's heavy. He's a pretty one. Look at that little guy. Oof. Finally. And a little shorty, little 12-incher. Oh, 11. All right. These dudes are aggressive.